Welcome to the instructions video for the Pendulum Kinetic Energy Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you calculate the kinetic energy of a pendulum bob at any point during its swing, making it perfect for physics analysis and engineering design applications. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter a few key values. First, input the length of your pendulum in meters. Let's use 1.5 meters as an example. Next, enter the mass of the pendulum bob in kilograms. We'll enter 2 kilograms. Then specify the release angle in degrees from which the pendulum starts its swing. Let's use 45 degrees. You can also specify the angle at which you want to calculate the kinetic energy, with 0 degrees being the lowest point. Once you've entered these values, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display the velocity of the bob and its kinetic energy in joules at your specified position. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.